Hello again guys. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to make your messages vanish in chat. So if you want certain messages not to be saved in chat, you can use the vanish mode. It's pretty simple. First let's quickly check if Instagram is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds to make sure that all newest features are installed. Now head over to Instagram. Find your chats. Enter a chat where you want to use a vanish mode. Tap and hold here and gently swipe up. You can see text in the bottom of the screen which tells you to swipe up to turn on vanish mode. Now, it is activated. So anytime you want some messages to not be saved in a chat room, just turn on vanish mode, and that will be it. Enjoy! That will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos like this.